Hey Amy, do you like Brian?
No, Kim, why?
Well, I was just wondering because he says he likes you.
Oh really, that's weird.
Hey, yo, what up?
Kim just told me you like me as the true Brian.
Amy, you're not supposed to tell him. I told you. Now he gonna be mad.
I'm not mad, but yes, I kind of do, but don't worry, I like Penelope more.
Really, that's gross. She has warts and pimples.
Nasty for liking that ugly wartful woman.
You're the one to talk, Kim. You have an eye hanging out of your head, and as for you and your hairy back, Amy.
I guess you're right, Brian. You two are perfect for Iakotha. As for you and your mustard-stained shirts.
Yeah, you mustard-stained bushy-eyebrowed hairy-toed monkey.
Keep it coming. I got plenty more to say to you two, and it was a joke. Her way prettier, Amy.
Okay, well, bye, Brian.
Hey guys, howdy do.
Whoa, what's wrong with your voice? You sound like a dude.
Dang, you're scarier than me right now.
That's so rude by jerk-offs.
What are you guys doing here?
We live here.
Oh yeah.
What do you want, David? You know you'll be dead in a few years from the smoke in your lungs, and you don't have any time to waste.
Oh, that's right, bye.
So glad that's over. Well, I'm out later.
Alright, bye then, see you tomorrow.